Hello friends, have a good day. As per the request of subscriber, I am going to present this video. Same fragments in navigation view and bottom navigation view. Both are working simultaneously. Total project is based on AndroidX Android Jetpack version. So maybe possible these types of requirement from the client, or we need to make such thing that same fragment or same items in navigation drawer and all the same items are refer with the bottom navigation view, which are working simultaneously in AndroidX. So let's start with the certain steps and theory portion. So first thing is, as per the guideline of Android developer.android.com, upgrade your Android Studio to 3.6 plus version. If you have older studio, then go to help, check for update. If update is available, then update and restart your IDE, integrated development environment. New look of Android Studio is something like this one. So after upgrading your studio, you will get look like this one. New look of Android Studio, which is 3.6 plus version. So in this project, same fragments in navigation view and bottom navigation view working simultaneously. Output will be such like this one. So see, these type of output will be we are going to generate. So check that. Go to navigation drawer. If you click on gallery and gallery fragment, click on slide show and click on setting. We are going to add one more fragment also. If you reverse travel from the bottom navigation view, then also simultaneously work with navigation drawer. So these output we are going to generate. So if you desire such an output, then see this video. If not, then choice is yours. Be happy and let's start. Same fragments in navigation view and bottom navigation view. So let's start. These video has two milestone. Milestone 1 with step 1 to 3 and milestone 2 step 4 to 6, means total number of 6 steps we are going to cover in this video. So be with us, do it on your own practically, because information plus experience equals to knowledge. So create new project with navigation drawer. Because why we are going to select this navigation drawer, because there are total in new Android drawer, there are total 3 fragments are default given by Android Studio IDE: home fragment, gallery fragment and slideshow fragment. So just we do that. Go to file and click on new project. Select this one, navigation drawer activity. If you select bottom navigation drawer activity, then you need to add drawer, and if we select navigation drawer activity, then we need to add bottom navigation activity. So these one is, I think that it is easier to start with navigation drawer activity. Click on next, give the name likewise nav view, means navigation view with bottom navigation view demo. Okay, select the language Java, click on finish. All the stuff will be ready over here. So move towards the our other step. This one, it is not considered as a step, it is just starting of the project. The first step is we need to make space for bottom navigation view. Means while we are doing with these types of default navigation drawer activity, then by default there is floating action button. So if the floating action button is in right bottom corner, then our item or the last item of navigation bottom navigation view will be hide. So that's why we make some space and we adjust only margin right and margin bottom. So go to resource layout in a AppBar main.xml. Go to this one is resource file, this is layout file. Inside that AppBar main. See this one over here, this is floating action button. So I think that it covers our bottom navigation view. So just I want to make certain margin or gap with bottom line and this floating action button. So by default, the margin is given 16 dp, which is okay for our right alignment. So you can set that layout margin right. It is 16 dp. I don't mind, but margin bottom, it may be higher, likewise 60 dp. So I think 55 dp is by default covers with our bottom navigation view. So it is basic. If you are aware with your project, then 55 dp, I think that it is the by default of bottom navigation view height. So we cover that layout margin bottom, it is 60 dp. So step number 1 is over. Go to res layout and AppBar_main and set the margin bottom to floating action button, which is given by default. So move towards our step number 1 is over. Move towards the step number 2. See this one. In step number 2, we are going to add one bottom navigation view. In previous, before Android Studio 3.6 version, before we need to add certain dependencies to add bottom navigation view in the certain previous older Android Studio. In this one, there is no need to add any dependency to get bottom navigation view, and you can directly write bottom navigation view. Just one another thing, you need to understand constraint layout. What is constraint bottom to bottom of, left to left of, right to right of, and one is background and another is mind well, there is an arrow with app menu @menu / activity _ main drawer. These menu is directly refer to the navigation drawer. So that's why we are adding that particular menu in bottom navigation view. So let's see and build this content _ main.xml file. So go to layout and inside that content main _xml file. Go to directly with the code. Code is here and just I add one bottom navigation view. So if you click on BOTT, then bottom navigation view is here. So width, set the width 0 dp, means whatever the width will be as per the screen size, and height will be rep content. Click on slash. I know that what is the problem or red mark error. We need to add certain dimension, or if you are aware with this constraint layout, then you can set it automatically. Before that, likewise bottom, if I want to set it bottom to bottom of parent, so it will automatically set on the bottom. But if you want to make it on the center, likewise center horizontal inside the constraint layout, then we need to set left to left of parent and right to right of parent, right to right of parent. So I think it is very easy. So red mark is gone. You can see this one over here. Just we finish with our code. So after that you can check that background, which will be you can select directly with Android. Then you can set it with ATTR tab, attribute tab, and it will give window background. So WINDOW and directly set window background. So whatever the background cover with the window, it will set automatically over here. And mind well, the most important thing is app menu. This one is important thing. Already given @menu / activity _ main drawer. We are going to select that one, which is directly refer to navigation drawer. So that's why we are adding that particular menu inside bottom navigation view, because this is requirement as per our project. So that's why we are going to select activity _ main _ drawer over here. So let's see, just visit that inside menu activity _ main drawer. There are three things: home, gallery, and slideshow. There are three items in activity _ main _ drawer with certain images also. So you can see that this is very easy thing. Whatever the thing or whatever the menu item inside activity _ main _ drawer.xml, it will directly refer to the bottom navigation view. So let's see our look and feel of bottom navigation view will be over here. So I think it is on the look like this one. You can set the ID also. For ID will be at the red plus ID, then bottom underscore nav underscore view. So I think width is 0 dp, height is rep content, bottom to bottom of parent, left to left of parent, then right to right of parent. So background is window background, and app is or menu is at the red menu slash activity underscore main underscore drawer. So our content main file is ready with bottom navigation view. So bottom navigation view will be over here. I think whatever the problem, don't mind, it will be there. Many times it happens. Go to our step number 3. If you want to set or adjust our bottom navigation view, then we need to add inside MainActivity.java inside onCreate. So go to MainActivity.java. Over here, after that these line inside onCreate, just make bottom navigation view. Likewise, bottom navigation view. Then give the name bottom underscore name underscore view. With the same ID, you can directly set that find view by ID r.id dot then bottom nav view. Okay, and one more line we need to set because we are handling with navigation control. So just add and copy this line. I just paste this line. I want same navigation controller, so that's why just I refer 2 lines and set navigation UI setup with nav control and just pass the first argument is bottom nav view to our navigation control. So over here inside MainActivity.java, step number 1, 2 and 3 are ready. So press Shift F10. Only we have make 3 steps. Step number 1 inside app bar main, just we make this certain margin in bottom and set the margin to margin right. It is step number 1, and inside step number 2 just we add in content main with one navigation bottom navigation view. So constraint main with bottom navigation view, and for the same this bottom navigation view just we set that our attribute to MainActivity.java inside onCreate, just we add these 2 lines. So all the steps are ready. I think see this one, home, gallery and slideshow. Very easy thing. I think that it is very easy. Gallery, slideshow. So these 3 things, home, automatically home is selected inside bottom navigation view because NavController is same. So that's why if you set gallery, then gallery. If you set slideshow, then slideshow. If we set gallery from the bottom navigation view, then automatically it will be refer to this one, gallery inside navigation drawer. So very easily we have done these 3 steps. Step number 1, step number 2 and step number 3. So our milestone 1 is ready. Same fragments in navigation view and bottom navigation view working simultaneously in AndroidX, Android Jetpack. But most of the time I get comment inside the video that how to add new fragment. So I cover that thing inside this video, how to add new fragment in both of the side with bottom navigation view and with navigation view or navigation drawer. So what we need to do, step number 4, add new fragment from resource navigation and mobile underscore navigation.xml. We are going to set with certain setting purpose. But before that, before starting the step number 4, just create the vector for setting. So go to drawer, right click on res and drawable, click on new, click on vector asset, double click on clip arts, just click setting, likewise SETT. This one is setting. Our new Android Jetpack version or Android Studio is very powerful. I think all the vector assets are given. There are more features also connected with Android Studio 3.6 plus version. Click on next and click on finish. So one more thing, because we want to set these icon in both of the sides, so that's why we have created res drawable and new vector. So let's see with step number 4. Go to res navigation mobile underscore navigation.xml file. So go to navigation mobile underscore navigation.xml. There are already 4 fragments. Okay, just I make it fit to screen. Navigation gallery, slides on navigation home. It is temporary one, but we are going to create this one. Already on the click on plus, create new destination, and this one by default it is given blank fragment with setting fragment. Click on finish. This is setting fragment. Just we need to design fragment underscore setting.xml file. Say this one. Okay, just we type, by default we are typing segment setting fragment. It is width and height is, I will make it match parent and rep content. Then text color is primary dark. Text size is 30 sp scale point, and you can set, okay, text style it is bold, and just make gravity and layout gravity layout gravity is center. Let's check whether it happens or not. Okay, layout gravity, because it is match parent, we need to give one more thing. Gravity means applicable to content center. So I think center or setting fragment is here. You can see this one, setting fragment. So text size, text color, and text style with gravity. Just we copy this one and add to all fragments. Likewise, fragment home, this text size and text alignment, just I paste it. Text color, okay, with this match parent and layout gravity center. So just I go to this one, then okay, automatically all the set of stuff with that Java package and UI version, I don't mind, just I set this one. If you write just like text home fragment, it will be changed, but I want to see this one, because what is the exit output, whether it is in center or not. So fragment home is ready. Go to fragment gallery. Inside gallery, just replace these 2 lines. Gallery fragment, it will be changed programmatically. Gallery, it will be right inside gallery fragment. I don't mind whatever it is. Go to slide show with text and Control V. This one is slide show. Okay, so just check slide show fragment is ready. Close this one. Setting fragment, we also close this one. Our new fragment is ready. Fragment underscore setting.xml. After that, move ahead. Go to step number 5. Step number 5 is we need to add same fragment, or we need to add fragment with the same ID inside activity underscore main underscore drawer, because we want that activity underscore main underscore drawer in both of the side, in navigation drawer and in bottom navigation, both of the side. But remain thing, our ID should be same. So what is our ID? You can see over here. Likewise, there is red mark, don't worry, because it is temporary code. So our ID is setting fragment. You can label fragment setting. Just I want to label it to setting only. So go to activity underscore main underscore drawer. Just I paste this for temporary purpose, copy this thing, and because ID must be same, so that's why I change it to setting fragment. Our already we have set our vector, which is with setting IC underscore setting black 24 dp. And what should be the title? You can change the title also, but I want to title make it setting. So our setting thing is ready with activity underscore main underscore drawer.xml. Then move to step number 6, which will be the last step. If we finish up to step number 5, then what is the thing? If we finish or complete the exercise up to step number 5 only, then left side output we will get. Likewise this one, back arrow on the left top corner. If we do not add to AppBarConfiguration inside MainActivity.java file, then we will get back arrow. If we add our fragment r.id.setting fragment to AppBarConfiguration, then we will get drawer, navigation drawer inside setting fragment also. Already we have covered that inside how to add new fragment in navigation drawer. So it is the basic thing. So follow this rule. If whatever as per your requirement, if you want back arrow, then I don't mind. If you want navigation drawer inside setting fragment activity setting fragment, then you add that it to app bar configuration inside MainActivity.java file. So I want to add that thing inside app bar configuration. So go to MainActivity.java, and over here there are app bar configuration. Already 3 fragments are given. Just I want to add setting fragment r.id. Then setting fragment. It is very easy task. Now there are 4 fragments inside app bar configuration. So because it will be handled with navigation controller, so that's why I am going to add, and I want that fragment inside navigation drawer. So you can set that navigation drawer inside setting fragment. This is the step number 6. So very easy thing. Step number 5, I press shift F10. Just I recap the steps. Step number 4 to 6. Go to RES navigation, mobile navigation. Just I add one more fragment, setting fragment. After that, with the same ID, I add to main res to menu dot activity underscore main underscore drawer, and I add one more item, setting fragment. Just mind that the ID should be same. And the third thing is step number 6 is just I add my fragment to AppBar configuration, because I want drawer, navigation drawer inside setting fragment also. So step number 6 is over. By this way, we have set our thing. So just we check our final output. So go to the final output is this one, and at our screen the final output will be something like this one. All new one is ready. So as you know that final output is completed, so go to gallery, then gallery inside bottom navigation view is selected. From the bottom navigation view I click on slideshow. This is slideshow fragment and slideshow is selected. If you click on setting from the navigation drawer, then setting is here and setting fragment is over here. And if you add that label setting, whatever the label you desire, you can add to AppBar drawer.xml, and you know that our final output is ready, is completed. So whenever you desire same fragments in navigation view and bottom navigation view, which should be working simultaneously, then follow this 6 step. simple 6 steps. Step 1 to 3 is milestone 1, and if you want to add one more fragment, then you can also add that fragment by step number 4 to 6. You can also modify that, remove fragment and alter fragment, because after the completion of this video you can do it on your own. So if your basic is powerful, then you can learn or you can modify or alter the things as per requirements. So same fragments or same items in NavigationDrawer and bottom navigation view, which working simultaneously is completed. So thank you very much. Have a good day ahead. Like this video, share with your concerned person and friends, and mind well, subscriber. Okay, so please subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.